giveaway to formally start tonight. Again, this is Awit Garcia. Mag-stay at home at kumonek dito sa A-Connect Agorah PH Virtual Launching 2021. Let's give us a round of applause.
So, ingat ang Kapampangan. Mga sandila mo.
Panaginip lang yan, Jer.
Manyaman tapos.
Hello, Kabalen! Nano ba po, Kabalen?
Friends from media. Hello, hello. Jody, we miss you. Agorah PH.
Agorah PH na!
Thank you. Nano ba po, Kabalen? Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. For this vlog, guys, it's an announcement, a great announcement para po sa ating mga Kapampangans and for the entire Philippines. So ngayong araw na po na ito, it's a virtual launch ng Agorah PH. So it's a marketplace. If you have a business, either products or services, you can register your business and get the benefit. The near future is gonna be wide. Maraming mga sellers at saka customers ang magiging platform na to. So it's gonna be promising. So samahan niyo po kami dito. Tara! So nandito tayo ngayon sa event ng Agorah. Ano ba si Agorah Marketplace? Yan.
Agorah Marketplace is all in one. Parang one-stop shop siya. Kasi we cater food, services, bookings, products, lahat na pati vlogs.
You register as a seller and you register as a customer. So, paano yun? So, ano yung mga requirements? Yes, yes, yes.
Kayo. Or kung nagluluto kayo, may kayo magluto. Or cater, pwede yan sa Agorah.
So, for the sellers, ano yung mga requirements?
Sa mga seller, meron kaming send na master data. Yun yung tawag namin, which is yung name ng store nila, store logo, store banner. Tapos kami na yung bahalang mag-set up for them. Store.
Hello! So, ambassador ng Agorah. Would you imagine?
Would you imagine this type of beauty here is the first ambassador and endorser of Agorah PH?
Very beautiful face.
Yes, you got it right.
You
This
got-
place is ugly mga Pampanga.
Sino kuya? Sino kuya?
Gusto namin lumago and matulungan lahat ng mga small businesses. Everything is free. You can just register at www.agorah.ph and you can avail the services of Agorah. Any kind of business. Let's say, nagbebenta ka ng mga maliliit na bagay. You can go to Agorah. Ibenta mo sa Agorah. Use the services of Agorah. Meron kang manicure or anything na pwedeng i-book. Let's say, gusto mong gawing formal ang manicure o manicuring business mo. Edi, register ka sa Agorah. With our bookable products, pwede mong ilagay yung manicure sessions mo, kung anong oras, at pwede mong pa-schedule.
So, even
Using
services.
Agorah.
Even
Yes,
services.
even
Wow.
services.
Sir Mark, thank you. Ay, thank you. Thank you. Ray Moxwon, ang pride ng Angeles City.
Party Bullets by Angel
Agorah Bells na tayo.
and G-Lex Sound.
Napakalaking tulong pala sa mga local businesses dito sa Pampanga.
Tsaka hands-on kami kasi kami yung nag-set up ng mismong store nila.
Yes. In terms of delivery fee, paano tayo,
Yes.
how are we
And in
converting?
terms of deliveries, kapartner natin si JNT and Maxim for food delivery and day delivery. Tsaka ang Agorah ay nag-cater ng top quality products. Tsaka sellers. We make sure na yung mga sellers namin ay legit and meron kami mga contact informations nila for them na pwede namin i-provide dun sa customers para sa assistance din nila. Thank you po!
Thank you!
Thank you po! Thank you! Thank you!
Sasalikod ka ba mo? Sasalikod ka ba mo? Hello! Hello! Nice to see you!
Binigla po ako ni Kuya Louie!
What a party guys. Congratulations Agorah PH for successful launch. Did you enjoy, Mami? Did you enjoy?
I did a lot.
Guys, I hope this video is gonna be helpful to you guys. If you have a business, make sure to check out Agorah PH. If you are a customer looking for, food, low price delivery, make sure to check out Agorah PH, guys. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga.
Salamat, we're in Pampanga.
Peace out, guys. Bye.